In this episode of Mathemagician, we will discuss the difference of two sets. The set difference collects the elements that appear in one set, but not in another. To begin, the difference of two sets A and B is another set that contains the elements of A that are not in B. Basically, these are the elements that A does not share with B. The difference of A and B is also called A without B, A only, or the complement of B with respect to A. As a personal preference, I like to use A without B for the difference of A and B. The notation for A without B is A minus B. It is also denoted by A\B. To find A without B, collect all the elements in A that do not appear in B. Likewise, B without A would include all elements in B that are not present in A. To illustrate, consider A and B to be these sets. The elements that appear in A but not in B are 50 and 80. Therefore, A without B is the set of 50 and 80. Similarly, the elements that appear in B but not in A are 5, 8, and 33. Therefore, B without A is this set. Another approach to finding A without B is to cross out all the elements that A shares with B. Essentially, this means removing the intersection of A and B from A. Therefore, we can obtain A without B by simply removing all elements in the intersection of A and B from A. From the illustration above, you may have noticed that A without B is not the same as B without A. Therefore, it is important which set is mentioned first. Unlike the union and intersection, which are commutative set operations, meaning A union B is the same as B union A, and A intersection B is the same as B intersection A, the set difference is not commutative. Therefore, the set A without B is not the same as B without A. Here is our first test problem. Find the set differences A without B and B without A. The elements that A does not share with B are 2, 3, and 5. Therefore, A without B is the set of 2, 3, and 5. Similarly, B without A is the set of 9, 11, and 15. Here is our second test problem. Find the set differences A without B and B without A. As a general rule, if all elements in the first set are in the second set as well, the set difference is the empty set. Therefore, A without B is the empty set. On the other hand, the elements that B does not share with A are 10, 13, and 14. Therefore, B without A is the set of 10, 13, and 14. And to our last test problem, find the set differences A without B and B without A. As you may have guessed correctly, A and B are disjoint, and hence their intersection is the empty set. Therefore, A without B is simply the set A, and B without A is also B. In summary, the set difference of A and B is the set containing all elements that are in A but not in B. The difference of A and B is also called the complement of B relative to A. Please leave comments, suggestions for improvement, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.